cracked screen, or is your battery not lasting like it used to? Fix&Chill comes to you. With our on-site phone repair service, we replace your screen or battery right at your location. We serve up to 20 miles from our shop. We fix most phone models, and iPhone parts are always in stock. If a part isn't available, we can usually deliver it within 2 business days. Service fee is only $30, and every repair includes a 6-month warranty. Message us today to book your service. Please make sure there's a safe parking space available at the repair location. Fix&Chill. We come to you.